This woman doesn't exist. Neither does she. Meet Aitana Lopez and Emily Pellegrini. They are some of the world's first AI influencers, earning thousands of dollars a month from brand deals and thousands of fans on a platform that pays them directly for their content. For years, becoming an influencer meant constant posting, editing, and grinding for followers. But AI influencers aren't coming. They're already here, and they're cashing in. The best part? You don't need to be a creator or even show your face to do this. And in this video, I'll show you how to solve the single biggest problem everyone faces: keeping your AI model looking perfectly consistent every single time. I'm giving you the complete step-by-step blueprint to launch your own profitable AI influencer from scratch and start monetizing it today on the exact platform I'm about to show you. This is your way in. All right, let's begin the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, simply search for Gemini. While you can also utilize ChatGPT for this workflow, my personal preference is Gemini, so I'll be opening that. As soon as Gemini loads, here in Gemini, I am selecting the 2.5 Pro model for optimal performance. You will need to paste prompts. You can find the link to these prompts in the description below. The first prompt we'll use is an enhancer. Its function is to transform any of your basic or unprofessional prompts into a polished professional one. Simply copy the entire text of this first prompt, navigate back to Gemini, and paste it in. Once it provides a response, we can move to the next step, which uses another master prompt I have provided in the same document. Simply copy this second prompt, and once again, paste it into Gemini. This specific prompt is designed for character generation, and it will be invaluable for creating a consistent digital persona. When you submit this prompt, the AI will ask a series of clarifying questions. You must provide answers to these questions to define your character. Once answered, just press enter, and Gemini will generate 10 detailed prompts specifically for your character. The reason we need 10 prompts is to properly train our AI model to produce a consistent character. We will use these prompts to generate 10 or more images, which will serve as the training data for our AI. This training is what allows the model to maintain character consistency. Additionally, the document provides a list of names for our AI influencer. Feel free to select one. Next, I'll open a new tab and search for Picasso AI. In my experience, Picasso AI is the premier tool for consistent character generation, so we will be utilizing it to create our AI influencer. The link to Picasso AI is available in the video description. So, here we have the Picasso AI interface. This platform provides a comprehensive suite of tools. You can generate standard AI images, utilize the AI image editor to modify any image, create new images from existing ones, and use the skin upscaler. As you know, standard AI images can sometimes lack realism. This tool corrects that. You can also generate AI video, extract a prompt from an image, and leverage the AI face swap, an exceptionally powerful feature. To begin, we need to click on the AI image generator, as our first task is to generate the base character. In the settings, we will select the Flux model. Then, under LoRa Style, scroll down and choose Better Body F. Once selected, let's return to Gemini where our prompts were generated. Copy the first prompt, come back to Picasso, and paste it into the text field. After you've pasted it, select the desired aspect ratio below. With the aspect ratio set, simply click Generate. This will take a moment to process the images. While the images are generating, let me reiterate why I created 10 distinct prompts. The purpose is to train our AI model to create a consistent character. Picasso AI requires a minimum of 10 to 15 images for effective training, which will enable it to reproduce our character accurately in any scenario. And here we are. Our results have been generated. It has produced truly high-quality images that look remarkably like authentic photographs, not AI generations. You can see how impressive the output is. Your next step is to create a folder on your computer and download all the images that feature a consistent face. After that, simply navigate back up, locate the seed number, and copy it. Then, paste this number into the seed field in the settings below. The purpose of this is to instruct the AI to use this specific image composition as a reference for all future generations, ensuring greater facial consistency. In this manner, you will proceed to generate images for all 10 of your prompts, one by one. As you can see, I have now used all 10 of my prompts to generate a full set of images from Picasso.ai, and the results are excellent. Just as I mentioned earlier, you need to download all of these images into your folder. Afterwards, we will navigate back to the Discover section, which is the platform's home page. From the home section, locate the option labeled Create AI Character and click on it. This will open a new window where you will name your AI influencer. As you know, I already selected a name from the list provided by Gemini, so I will choose Nova Ray. I'll simply copy it and paste it into the name field here. With the name entered, I'll proceed to the next step. Here, the platform will ask for a target face, which is the reference image for consistent generation. Upload one of the images you just created. I'll drag and drop the image I want to use. Then, crop the image to focus on the face for better quality. Preview it and save it. Now click the Create AI Character button. Now, if you look below on this new page, you'll see the Train option. We need to click on it. This will take us to the training page, where it will request our images. It states that you can upload a maximum of 50 images, but a minimum of 10 are required for training. I will now go to my folder, select all my images, and drag and drop them here. This may take a moment to upload, as there are quite a few images. Once they are uploaded, I'll click on Next. The platform will now estimate the training time, which can be up to 40 minutes. Simply click Start Training. This process may take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes to complete. Excellent. Our training is now complete. This means our custom AI model is fully trained and ready for consistent character generation. Now, the next step is to click Select Your Training option. When you click it, a window like this will appear. Simply select your newly trained model. Once it's selected, click Select Training. Okay, it's done. Now click on Generate AI Image. This will take you back to the generator. What we need to do now is go to the AI character dropdown, and you'll see our custom character, Nova Ray, is now available. Let's select it. With our custom model active, we need a new prompt. For this, I have another master prompt in the document, which you will copy and paste back into Gemini. This will generate new professional prompts for different scenes and actions. As you can see, it has provided a new prompt. I will simply copy it, return to Picasso, paste it into the prompt field, and then we will generate the image. So, as you can see, our new images are ready. Let me show them to you. Notice the character consistency. It's perfect. Every detail remains the same across these different images. This confirms the character consistency issue has been solved. Now let me demonstrate another feature. Look at this image. Below it, you'll find the upscale option. Let's click on it. Here you have several settings, including 2 megapixels and 4 megapixels resolution. Below that, you can choose between face only and face plus body. I will keep it set to face plus body. Select 2 megapixels and click Start Upscale. Now, this is where the magic happens. Just observe how this process works. So look, our upscaled image is ready. Now I want you to see this comparison. This was the original image. It looked AI generated. After we upscaled it, look at this. Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at her body texture. Look at her face texture. It's almost impossible to tell that this is AI generated. It's ready. Now I want to show you one more thing. We will create an AI video from this image. So I will simply click on To AI Video. Here, you have several models to choose from. These are the Kling models. Below that, you have settings for freedom level, aspect ratio, and then quality and duration. For now, I'll keep it at 720p and set the duration to 5 seconds. You can also add a negative prompt here. I will simply enter my prompt here to create a video from this image. Let's generate it. And there you have it. Our video is ready. Let me play it for you. Look at this. It's amazing. The quality of the generation is incredible. It doesn't look AI generated in any way. So, using this method, you can create anything you want. It all depends on your creative vision. This Picasso AI platform is the ultimate tool for your AI influencer. I will provide the link in the description below so you can join. Now, we come to the crucial question, how do you earn from this? For that, there are several avenues, including creating an Instagram account to sell your exclusive content, build a personal brand for your AI influencer, and run your own marketing. However, the best option, in my opinion, is FanView. Simply create an account here using your Google ID. The most significant advantage is that you can start earning from day one. To do this, create your account and click on Become a Creator. When you click on it, select the Start Earning option. From here, if you have a referral code, you can enter it. If not, simply click Continue. Now, it will ask if your content is human created or AI created. Since it's AI created, you must click on AI creation and continue. Here, you can select any categories of your choice. Whatever you like, Add those here. We will continue again. Now it's asking for a gender. We will select our gender. And here, you need to upload your female character's images. I'll upload her image here. Here you can set any name you wish. Here you need to set your subscription fee. Initially, I would suggest you keep it minimal, and then increase it gradually over time. Let's continue. Here, you will need to provide your identity document and complete a selfie liveness check. After you've done that, continue the process. After that, you'll be able to start earning right from the first day. The best part is that for the first 7 days, it is completely free, meaning whatever you earn, nothing will be deducted. All of the earnings will be yours.